Welcome, my beautiful hearts. In this video, I love to talk about self-judgment. Why? Because I believe most people think they know what self-judgment sounds like. They think self-judgment is kind of aggression, is criticism, is like a sense of meaning, like being mean. But the tricky part is self-judgment is really rarely enemy. It almost acts like a friend. It's like dress up as a wisdom, trying to protect you, like help you. Give you an example. Think about your best friend. And all of a sudden your friend is not contacting you anymore, not texting you, no phone calls, quiet. And what happened next? There would be the voice inside your mind, that good friend trying to tell you, what? Maybe I've done something wrong. Maybe I said something stupid. And after saying things like that, ruminating over and over, you might even decide that maybe that person doesn't like me anymore. And it feels so real, not because it's true, but because it feels reasonable. Self-judgment is so clever. It doesn't attack you directly. It speaks in a tone that sounds responsible, logical, caring. But often the job is to keep you small, safe, and predictable. And the moment you believe that voice, the role is changing. You stop becoming the observer of your thoughts. You become the one who's being judged. And this is when most people getting stuck. My loves, for next time, when you hear the voice inside your mind starting speaking, don't engage, just ask this question. Is this true? Or is this protection trying to keep me safe? And notice what happened to your body. Usually, when your body relaxes, it responds to the truth. When you feel contraction and you kind of feeling clinging into something, it is the protection, conditioned mind. And what I like to say that self-judgment is not your enemy. It's usually that old part of you that is trying to prevent from rejection or pain. But you are allowed to grow beyond. My loves, if what I'm speaking here resonates with you, and you might like this space, I share tools in this channel to help you step out from that invisible pattern, that invisibly repeats, and help you to return to yourself. And if you can, subscribe. If you love to be here, subscribe and share with me your comments, what you think, because I love reading them. See you with the next video. Bye for now.